When you're short on space, consider growing your plants vertically with a trellis box planter. Here's what you'll need. First, you'll want to measure the lumber. Then use a miter saw to cut your boards to size. To assemble the base pieces, you'll need two 24-inch long 1x8 boards, two 14.5-inch long 2x2s, and two 6-foot long 2x2s. Using deck screws, attach the shorter 2x2s vertically to the corners of a 1x8 board. This will be the front side of the base. Then attach the 6-foot 2x2s to the corners of the other 1x8-inch board to create the back side. To create the front and back of the planter box, you'll need to add 4 more of the 24-inch 1x8 boards. On the front half of the base, secure 2 1x8 boards onto the 2x2s with deck screws. Make sure your 1x8 boards are flush with the top of the vertical 2x2s. Repeat the same process on the back half of the base. Next, place the base pieces together on a level surface with the 2x2 pieces pointing up and the bottom boards flush. Now you're ready to attach the remaining 1x8 boards using deck screws, completing the planter box portion of the project. To add the trellis, tip the planter box on its back. You'll need the 9 pieces of 1x2. Center 3 of the 1x2 strips across the vertical 2x2s, securing them 3 3/4 inches apart. Then drop down 8 inches and repeat the process for the remaining 2 sets. To make the planter easier to move around, attach casters using 1 1/4 inch coated screws. Finally, plant your favorite vining flowers, herbs, or edibles, and enjoy. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.